up YouTube, it's your girl armanibaeee, and I am back at it again with another video. And today's video is a how to dye wig video. Very simple video. The steps are easy, the method is easy, and I hope you guys can take tips from this. I bought this wig off of Temu, and basically I decided to dye it. So I'm using here the Adore 87 Raspberry Twist and Adore 142 Pink Blush. I decided to mix these two dyes because I wasn't sure what color was going to come out, but I did want it to be visible. Mind you, the wig is like a ginger color, so I did expect the color to be just a tad bit darker. I should have possibly went with a higher dye, but here I am just pouring the dye in the bowl, and I'll just try to get as much as I can out of that bottle. That's how I would usually do it. Then I would get a comb and I would stir this. Some people use a spoon, some people use the actual mixer. So I threw the wig in there, and I am now going around and just dipping it. I poured another bottle on top, clearly ruining my hands. You guys, make sure you wear gloves when you're doing this so you won't be like me, literally staining my hands. It actually came out in like, a day. So here I am, just stirring it, getting the dye all in there. See, I used that gray dye before I used this pink dye, and it did not show in any way, shape, or form. So I knew with this pink, it was definitely going to do something just from the way that it looks. I want to go wash my hands because that stuff was everywhere. So make sure you guys take the time to do it somewhere you aren't going to stain your floors, stain your counters, where you won't stain anything. Just try to take as much precaution as you can. Here I am showing you guys the wig. As you can see, it took some type of color going on. You can still see some brown up in there, but it took the color. Okay guys, this is the finishing look. Definitely gonna come back in the morning with my lashes on, hair done, looking like vintage. But this is the look. It's